What's up guys, Midget Gang is here today for you with our first ever YouTube video for our channel. I'm Kenzie and today Colin and Jake will be in this video as well. Us three are the main Midget Gang members. Today we will be featuring Call of Duty Modern Warfare. We will be showing gameplay of the custom game of free-for-all, and the first battle will be knives only. We'll be using combat knives and throwing knives. That is the only thing you're allowed to use, plus stun grenades. We like to do those finishing moves at the end too, which we find pretty funny. So keep watching if you guys enjoy those. And then after that, we'll be doing a pistols only battle of .50 calibers, and we will see how that goes. We're looking forward to that too. We'll be featuring two small maps. We are doing King and Pine. We hope you guys love this video as much as we do. We are looking forward to you guys watching this, but without further ado, please enjoy.
Yeah, that got him. Stun her out! Stun out! Stun out! Stun her out! Stun her out!
Hey guys, it's Kenzie here again. I just wanted to point out something to you. As you can tell about right now, Colin just flashed me, or stun grenaded me. He came up behind me and did the finishing move I was talking about at the beginning of the video. This finishing move puts you in sort of a cinematic effect where you can't do anything about it unless a third person comes up, does it to the person who just did it to you, and it's kind of like a chain effect where it just like stops. But if you want to know how to do that, you have to be directly behind someone and hold down the R key, and it should automatically do that for you. Or when someone's lying down, you can still come up behind them, and that would again do the same exact thing. So, a few tips and pointers. I'm not the greatest with mines, as you can tell, but like just right now, I threw a stun grenade. I tried to go up behind them. They like to fake them a lot. What we do is they act like they're stunned, so when you go up and then you die, which is what just happened to me. So, me and Colin's and Jake's favorite part is actually up there, where I just came down from. Up there, just played like chicken up there mostly. And then as you can tell, I just did the stun thing to Colin. I had a chance to do the finishing move on him, and I chose not to. Sometimes it just doesn't work. And I still wanted to get the kill. So we enjoyed this map a lot. Some tips is sometimes you can pick up more than one throwable knife. It really depends on if you run over or catch someone else's. We don't use any guns in this game mode, which is why you'll see me switching my pressing Y every time for the gun inventory. Basically, we just like to run around a lot. As you can tell, I believe Colin just killed me. I'm not sure, but we are a pretty high level in the game. If you want to know some facts about us, Colin is somewhere in the like late 50s as of right now in this video. Jake is like 30s, late 30s, and then I'm in the 40s. But we've been playing since day one. I actually pre-ordered it, so I personally have the XRK M4A1. If you comment enough down below, I will be more than happy to make a video about the perfect loadout I use for it in Team Deathmatch. In the future, we will probably also do a video of a montage of all of our best clips, because right now you only see my game. Oh, that's the chain I was just talking about. You see how Jake was doing the chain to Colin, and then I came up behind Jake, and I tried to stop it in time so Colin wouldn't die, but I missed
Stand
it.
out!
But still, it was pretty cool. It's just that chain. But yeah, you can only see my gameplay right now because I actually used a USB thing that I plugged into my Xbox to record up to an hour. Which I also apologize that you can't hear audio
1KIA.
in game. It's just that how the recording up to 1 hour works. When we do live streams, oh, look, it's the chain thing again, and I ended up surviving actually. And then, yeah, that was funny. I ended up surviving because Jake saved me. Then I killed Jake. Sorry about that, Jake. But actually, it's USB. We can record up to an hour. So I didn't wasn't recording the audio, but that's okay because I mean the gameplay is the most important part. I'm trying to talk as much as I can in these voiceovers, so it's not too boring for you guys to watch. But Jake's signature move in this, I would say, is sliding. He likes to slide like these Colin is like you can't see him beside him, so it's pretty tough. Colin is really good at throwable knives. I know this video you can't see it, but I'm good at dodging. Yeah, we hope to have pretty good content in the future. The next would be a pistol battle. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna head out for now. Talk to you later.
We're not finished yet.
Hey guys, Kenzie again. As you can tell, we have just entered the pistols only battle. We actually had a blast making this game. We found it maybe even more fun than that. We just really enjoyed it. We each made a custom pistol. I did a .50 caliber with a Viper sight, and I believe I did FMG as my perk. And then I forget what I did something with the recoils. I'm a big believer in the ones that have all three: the recoil control, recoil stimulation, aim control, all that. I do want to mention as a tip, recoil control is always better than recoil stimulation. So if you want to choose between two things, always choose control over stabilization in the terms of recoil. But anyways, I found this map extraordinarily fun. Just being in a different setting was fun, and just the pistols, like you could just pop people, like from long distance, like right there. I don't know how many times I hit him there, once or twice, and boom, he was dead. I also enjoyed it. I attempted to throw a few C4s in this. I think one successfully went off. But I just find it fun that, oh, and there's no cheater there. He's a cheater. Everybody just hate on Jake for a minute. I'm kidding. Alright, yeah, he did cheat in just that particular moment. But yeah, this is just fun. So, hope you guys enjoy this part of the video, and I'll talk to you again in a minute. By the way, Call of Duty's not reacting.
Yeah, that got him. Flash out! Set and charge! Shit! Reckon that's payback. Oh, I'm hit! Set and charge! I'm hit!
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please comment down below any suggestions. We will be more than happy to do that. We are Mitch Gang, and we do gaming and stunts. Peace.